What's up, guys? This is the third and final video I filmed on this one day. This is my one friend's girlfriend. I let her drive my car. Her name's Ashley, and she stalled it like 5 times. I don't know what to say. Just get to the video. Enjoy. It's a good laugh.
Oh. What the heck? Okay.
Is she in third or first?
First.
Oh!
If that happens,
See?
you can push the clutch all the way.
See, I don't know what to do when that happens.
Next time it happens, just push the clutch all the way.
And just push the button.
Okay. You said just go.
More gas.
Go. I don't want to do it.
No, you're fine.
I can't
just give
do
it
it.
more gas.
This is stressful.
You're fine.
Yeah, you're more gas. Good. Just easy. Second would be nice. Gotta let out the gas.
I'm not on the gas.
What did you do? There.
So what kept happening to Nell's car when I stalled it out so many times? The shifter will get sticky for a sec.
I don't know how to stall it. How do I stop?
Push on the clutch and hit the brake.
And put it in neutral.
There.
Are you in neutral?
Put it in first.
Hold on. Was
I don't
that
know.
first?
Should have been.
Hell yeah.
And just let off the clutch slower.
You know you're on a hill, so you're fine.
Hey guys, don't worry. I got this. I can do it.
More gas.
Oh.
Second. I think that's neutral.
It's alright, just put in neutral and come to stop.
I hate my life. Honestly.
You're learning today. It's okay.
Pretty soon I'll be better than you, Brad. Because you kind of suck, so.
Put it in first.
Nope.
Kind of.
No.
Hey, you didn't stall it.
Yeah.
Because I hit the clock.
Yeah, good job.
Just give it more gas.
Is it still on first?
Hey, it's all downhill from here.
Yeah, I know.
In a good way, though.
There you go. That
I
wasn't
feel
too
like this
bad.
car is so much easier to me, but like
Yeah.
to you.
Now?
Second, yeah. I'm real.
I got this.
You can do third. Straightforward.
Nice.
Don't hit these holes.
You can do fourth.
Fourth?
Yeah, straight back. And I assume fourth is about as high as you want to go.
Well, at least I'm doing better than your car, Brad. That's what I mean.
Whatever you say.
Well, that's kind of rude.
Just give it more gas.
Ah,
Oh, yeah.
did it. It wasn't nice, but I did it.
Second. If you listen, you'll know when to shift. There.
You can get on it if you want.
I don't know when to shift.
Shift now.
I am officially a car girl.
Either slow down or drop it into fifth or go into fifth. Fifth is going to be kind of put in neutral then over.
Yeah,
Hell yeah.
I got it. Should I downshift? What do I do?
Go to the fourth.
Slow down a bit. About like 30, 35.
I'm at
Third. Either neutral or second. Around 25.
oh my
Not even bad. You gonna take the main road?
That's not that far. I can handle it.
Alright.
I believe in myself now.
Good shit.
Nope.
Do a little second pull.
Ugh. Is that right?
Yeah.
She's like, oh, I don't know, guys. Tell me if I'm doing something wrong.
You're good.
Okay.
Just slow down.
Damn.
Alright. Slow down to 30.
Yeah.
Put it to 30.
Oh. I almost forgot to hit the gas.
And
Huh?
just neutral it.
Gosh. This is
Give
diff-
yourself enough space.
For
or
what?
Enough gas so you can drive.
Oh, well, I'm not going to, so. You
Go
see.
to second.
Second.
Yeah.
No, go to first.
First.
Yeah.
I can't see.
Just let out the
speed.
clutch. Yeah, you're good.
There you go. Oh, you're only going 6. Hell yeah.
Yeah, we got this. Oh.
Neutral. Good job, Ashley.
Yeah.
Not even bad. You only saw it like
Once. Twice.
4?
4.
Was it 4?
Yeah.
Four?
Wait, what?
Yeah.
I mean.
Oh, yeah, I did.
Push the button to turn it off.
Alright, but.
I'll put your seat back a little bit because it's like
Alright.
way up there.
Now I'm really sweaty. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. It's kind of funny. And make sure you guys stay positive and have fun as always.